Welcome back, YouTube. I have another video review of a affiliate product. Okay, so this product, I can't really pronounce it. Affilorama. Okay, we call it affilorama. Affilorama is a program that will teach you how to make money online as an affiliate. You promote other people's products and make money for yourself. And they can show you how. Create a free account membership. So this is free to join. It's free to join. I've done a lot of reviews on this, and this is a really good product. I mean, really good program to get into. 120 videos to make money. And you look here, the lessons, market research, content creation, site building, build a blog and website, marketing ideas, SEO, CPC, and affiliate outsourcing. Okay, so we have all these products here, and it's basically the little roadmap how to make the money. Okay, and to become an affiliate, to become a member, is free to join. Create your free account and get started. So yeah, if you want to learn to make money online for free, this is probably one of the only product programs online that you can sign in for free and start learning how to do it. So if you want to join, my link is in the, I am an affiliate, so my link is in the description box below. If you buy from my link, I really appreciate it. And if you want more training, if you want to get this and you want more training, you can download my free Make Money Online ebook. I show you how to make money on YouTube, a blog, and an email list. I call it the big three. The big three you need to have a successful business. So download my ebook and check out this program here. If you want to make money online, learn from scratch. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, this is free to join. Okay, free to join. You get this, and you can download my ebook for free. Hey, win-win. Like I said before, just teach you everything. Had a downloadable roadmap to success. Quick affiliate guide. So just sounds good. Sounds good. So like my video, share my video, and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Comment if you have any questions about it. If anything you want me to do a review on, let me know. I'll do a review. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time.